Slow-motion flipping cat physics is a captivating video on the YouTube channel Smarter Every Day. This video showcases a cat performing a mid-air flip and the physics behind its ability to land on its feet. Destin Sandlin, the creator and host of Smarter Every Day, is an engineer and science communicator. He uses his expertise to explain the science behind the cat's movement and how it manages to twist its body in the air to land on its feet. The video is shot with a high-speed camera that captures the movement of the cat in slow motion, making it easier to analyze the physics behind its flip. Sandlin begins by explaining that the cat's body is naturally flexible, which allows it to move and twist in the air. He then breaks down the physics of the flip into three main components: conservation of angular momentum, torque, and the cat's tail. Conservation of angular momentum is a principle in physics that states that when an object rotates, its speed and direction of rotation remain constant unless acted upon by an external force. Sandlin explains that the cat's body, legs, and tail are all rotating on a central axis. The cat's twisting motion during the flip helps it to maintain its angular momentum. Torque is the twisting force that causes an object to rotate around an axis. Sandlin explains that the cat uses torque to control its body position in midair. By twisting its body in one direction, the cat can generate torque in the opposite direction, which helps it to adjust its position and mate. The cat's tail also plays a crucial role in the flip. Sandlin notes that the cat's tail acts as a counterweight, which helps it to maintain its balance during the flip. The tail swings in the opposite direction to the cat's body, which helps to counterbalance its weight and maintain its angular momentum. Throughout the video, Sandlin provides clear and concise explanations of the physics behind the cat's movements. He also uses visual aids, such as arrows and diagrams, to help viewers understand the concepts he's explaining. In conclusion, slow-motion flipping cat physics is an excellent example of how science can be fascinating and entertaining. The video provides a unique insight into the science behind a cat's ability to perform a mid-air flip and land on its feet. Sandlin's clear explanations and visual aids make the physics behind the flip accessible to a wider audience, even those with little background in science. If you love cats or are interested in science, this video is a must-watch.